What's up everybody, it's Katie here. Welcome back to my channel. I kind of got this urge this morning to do a fun kind of day in the life video vlog style because I feel like I just need to do a little bit more vlog style videos lately. But instead of showing you my full day, I'm just going to kind of skip ahead to the parts that you guys are probably going to enjoy most, which are the workout and my food and kind of just like chit-chatting with y'all. My puppy's in my car with me. Say hi, boo-boo. Okay, he doesn't want to say hey. Promise he loves me. So first things first in the vlog, I'm going to take it to a workout that I did about 3 hours ago. It's a step HIIT workout. I used 3 different levels of a step. You guys will understand what I mean in just a second when I show you guys the workout. The workout was about 20 seconds on, 10-second rest, and I repeated it 3 times through. So let's take it to the workout first. Hi, we're back here. We're still here in the car. So I hope you guys enjoyed that workout and let me know if you try it. So today's topic of this car vlog is that I am actually going through a breakup right now. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but you might be able to tell from my stories I'm posting like moody songs. The classic thing to do. I am now single, which is weird because I really haven't been single in 10 years. Not the same guy, but I've been in back-to-back relationships, and I just finally decided, I just turned 25 a few weeks ago, and it was this weird thing when I hit 25 where I just really wanted to kind of focus on myself. I feel like I'm just doing so much more with my free time, like doing things like this and focusing on things that I really need to be doing more often, like seeing my girlfriends, you know, weekly and hanging out with them and going to get my hair done. I know that's not a very vain thing, but at the same time, things that just make me feel really good about myself. And something that I've really learned as I've gotten older is to really kind of be selfish, and I don't mean that in a way where don't give to your friends or don't, you know, spend time on other people, but be selfish with your time. Like, we only have so much time on this earth. That sounds really cliche, but if you have things that you want to do and someone's holding you back, like, go do it, dude. These past few weeks have been really freeing, and it's something that I didn't know how much I needed until I did it. I would love to do a whole YouTube video or a post about it on my Instagram if you guys have any questions, or if you want me to do a post on it, because I have a lot to say. I'm kind of rambling about it right now, but I definitely have a lot to say about breakups and relationships and kind of where I'm at right now. Without further ado, I am now driving home post-work, about to make myself a healthy, quick, easy dinner. So only a couple ingredients, and let's go. Thank you, next. Alright, you guys, welcome to my kitchen. I don't think you guys have actually ever seen it because I always record at my parents' house, but I moved into my new place. So tonight for dinner, I'm gonna cook a really easy quinoa bowl. It's only a couple ingredients, some veggies in there, some good protein in the quinoa, and some feta on top. So here we go.